Nilet making the fried calamari. She put the what's that flour and then pepper and then salt. So do
May bata pala anak mo?
Hindi, wala. Okay na. Dapat 30 minutes para pag magdidikit sila.